What's the minimum balance you need to keep in your Monzo account to avoid fees or restrictions? This is a common question among potential and existing Monzo customers. In this video, we'll dive deep into the minimum balance requirements for Monzo and explore any associated fees or limitations. Understanding Monzo's minimum balance. Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its innovative features and customer-friendly approach. Unlike traditional banks, Monzo doesn't have a strict minimum balance requirement. This means you can open an account with as little as £1. However, while there's no mandatory minimum balance, there are a few factors to consider. Free monthly plan. To enjoy Monzo's free monthly plan, which includes features like fee-free ATM withdrawals, contactless payments, and budgeting tools, there's no minimum balance requirement. Premium plans. If you're considering upgrading to one of Monzo's premium plans, there might be minimum balance requirements or fees associated with them. It's essential to check the specific terms and conditions of the premium plan you're interested in. Fees and limitations. While Monzo doesn't have a minimum balance requirement, there are a few fees and limitations to be aware of. Overdraft fees. If you spend more money than you have in your account, you might incur overdraft fees. These fees can vary depending on the amount you overspend and the type of Monzo account you have. International transaction fees. When using your Monzo card for transactions in foreign currencies, you might be subject to international transaction fees. These fees typically include a foreign exchange fee and a cash withdrawal fee. Inactive account fees. If your Monzo account remains inactive for an extended period, Monzo might charge an inactivity fee. The exact terms for inactivity fees can vary, so it's important to check the latest information for Monzo. Comparison to other banks. It's helpful to compare Monzo's minimum balance requirements and fees to those of other banks. While many traditional banks have minimum balance requirements to avoid monthly fees, Monzo's approach is more flexible. However, it's essential to consider the specific features and benefits offered by different banks to determine which one best suits your needs. Tips for managing your Monzo account. Set a budget. Creating a budget can help you manage your spending and avoid overdraft fees. Monitor your account. Regularly check your Monzo app to keep track of your transactions and balance. Take advantage of budgeting tools. Monzo offers various budgeting tools to help you stay on top of your finances. Consider a premium plan. If you need additional features or benefits, explore Monzo's premium plans. Conclusion. Monzo's lack of a strict minimum balance requirement makes it a convenient option for many people. However, it's important to understand the potential fees and limitations associated with using a Monzo account. By setting a budget, monitoring your account, and taking advantage of Monzo's features, you can effectively manage your finances and enjoy the benefits of this digital bank. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to always be mindful of your financial goals and choose the bank that best aligns with your needs.